All right, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Keno with STEMwithKeno.com, and I got a question, or I received a question, that you should have seen for about 10-15 seconds before you got to this point in the video. Now, I always say the way that we solve word problems is line by line, and we do diagramming. Diagramming, that keeps us out of trouble, so line by line. An island is defended by a battery of coastal guns placed on the easternmost point of an island and having a maximum range of 10 miles. Alright, so let's make our island. We'll have the easternmost point of the island. Alright, and let's just say that there are some guns here. Alright, and the question states that the maximum range is 10 miles. So if this is the easternmost point, it's going to be like, alright, let's just say that this is the point, and the range is going to be 10 miles. But since it is at a point, the 10 miles will look sort of like this. Okay, it'll be an arc of 10 miles. Alright, so we'll put 10 mi there. So it's like a fan. You can, I guess you can turn these guns, but their maximum range is 10 miles. Alright, so let's look at the next part. Now we have a ship sailing due north at 24 miles an hour along a course that will bring it within 8 miles of these guns, and is approaching a point where it will be 10 miles. So it's going to approach a point where it's 10 miles. So let's get another color in here. We'll have our ship here on the bottom. I hope the camera's catching this. So it is approaching a point where it is 10 miles. And it is going due north. Boom, like that. So the gun's effective range, or the path, because this is the gun's effective range. But what the question is stating, the ship is sailing due north at 24 miles per hour, northbound, along a course that will bring it within 8 miles of these guns. So it will bring it within 8 miles of these guns. So we will call this the 8-mile point. Alright, and what else is it saying? Alright, assuming the ship will maintain a straight course, the red line, and the same speed for approximately how long will the ship be within the range of the coastal guns? Alright, so there's our information. We have all our information. Okay, so we know that this point is 10 miles. Alright, because it said it's going due north and approaching a point where it's 10 miles within the guns. So this is like a hypotenuse. Alright, and this is like a side. And, do I see a 3, 4, 5? 5, 4, 3. Yep, I see a 3, 4, 5 triangle, which I always talk about. Alright, so if this is 8 miles and this is 10 miles, alright, it's a variation of 3, 4, 5. And this will be the hypotenuse, side 1, side 2. Alright, this is a variation. 8 will be, say, side 2. Let's call this side 1. So this will be 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 2 is 6. And if you've been watching my videos coming to the live stream, you know how to rapidly identify this. So this will be 6, and this 5 times 2 is 10. So the hypotenuse is 10, side 2 is 8, and side 1 will be 6 miles. So this ship will be in range of the guns, in effective range of the guns, if it's traveling along this path at 24 miles an hour for a total of 12 miles, this whole distance, 12 miles. So if we're going at 24 miles per hour, we will be within the gun's range for 30 minutes. Alright, because we're traveling 12 miles at 24 miles per hour. Alright, so we'll be within the range of the guns for approximately 30 minutes. Alright, Cody sent that question, one of my subscribers. And if you have hard to answer ASVAB, SIFT, AFOQT, ASTB, OAR, or Federal Aviation Administration questions, private pilot through airline transport pilot, please send them to kinothomas@gmail.com. Might as well write that in. KINOTHOMAS @gmail.com. Alright guys, so that is the answer. I'll show the question at the beginning and the end of this video, and I thank you guys for watching. And make sure you visit us on our live stream at YouTube. You can subscribe to this channel so you can be updated, but every Friday night, 9 p.m. to 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern, every Friday during the week. Thank you. Have a great day, and please like, subscribe, and share in your social media networks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.